Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the error message that is the site cannot be reached in Google Chrome web browser. Let's fix it guys. Before that you just want to know about it. If you having same issue with a different web browser, web page not loading problem, this is not a Google Chrome problem guys. This is a network problem issue. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Click open it. Select the other troubleshooters and select internet connection troubleshoot to run guys. Troubleshoot my connection to the internet while try to connect the website. Click on it. After finishing troubleshoot guys, close the troubleshooters and on left side you just need to select network and internet. On right side select advanced network settings. Scroll down guys, here is option reset all networks adapters to factory settings. Click on it and this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking softwares afterwards guys, such as VPN client and virtual switches. Select reset now and reset it guys. Click yes and Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. You are about to be signed out. Close out of here and go ahead and manually restart your PC guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.